Hello, my name is Denise Hudson, and today I'm going to be talking on the topic of the death penalty. There are many things that plague society today, and one of them is the fears and opinion of fears that is developed. Imagine being put to death by a jury made up of your own peers can be quite disturbing and even uncomfortable. And so I believe that the death penalty should be done away with because it is not a disincentive to murder and it puts the risk of innocent lives to be executed. According to studies done, the death penalty is completely ineffective in discouraging individuals from committing capital offenses. Those that oppose the death penalty argue that a criminal will not consider the consequences of his actions before acting upon it. And they also believe that life imprisonment is just a suitable punishment as the death penalty. In a 1984 study done by criminologists, they concluded that there was no evidence to support the governor that the death decree was effective in preventing murders or from occurring. They also stated that whatever information could be gathered to support the death penalty would be politically motivated or driven, and politics cannot be the driving force behind any noteworthy research done on this issue. In a report in the Chicago Tribune on a case of a mistaken identity that resulted in the death of an innocent man, proves that the death penalty puts the lives of innocent people at risk. Since 1973, 123 people have been set free from being put to death because of new evidence that proved their innocence. In 2006, the last individual was released from death row. However, 1,000 people since 1976 have been executed, and there is no way of finding out how many of these were innocent. So in conclusion, because it fails to be a deterrent, yet is successful in hurting innocent people, the death penalty should be done away with. A great number of the experts agree that the death penalty should not be practiced in the United States of America, especially when life imprisonment can have the same effect upon the criminal as would the death penalty. Both can effectively incapacitate the criminal. However, only in the case of life imprisonment can the possibility of vindication result in restoration.